Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of trading hours for dollars, working non-stop to build someone else's dream, and want to finally take control of your own financial future, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the best side hustles in 2025 to build passive income and potentially reach $10,000 or more every month. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're solid strategies that take real work, but have massive potential for financial freedom. So, if you're serious about making passive income in 2025, then grab a notepad, hit that like button for the algorithm, and let's get into it. Affiliate marketing with digital products. Let's start with affiliate marketing, one of the most popular passive income streams out there, and for a good reason. Now, if you've heard of affiliate marketing but haven't tried it, think of it as recommending a product or service you love and getting paid for it. What makes it passive? Well, we're talking specifically about promoting digital products. Here's how it works. Find a product you genuinely believe in and one that pays good commissions. Sites like ClickBank, ShareSale, or even Amazon can connect you to thousands of products. Pro tip: focus on recurring commission products like software subscriptions, think ConvertKit or Canva. Once someone signs up through your link, you continue to get paid every month. They stay subscribed. To make it passive, create evergreen content around it. A YouTube video, blog post, or even a Pinterest post that keeps getting clicks over time. For example, let's say you create a YouTube video called Top 5 Tools for Beginner YouTubers, and you include affiliate links in the description. As long as people keep watching, you keep getting paid. Print on demand with Etsy or Redbubble. Next up is print on demand. Now I know what you're thinking, isn't the t-shirt game oversaturated? And yes, it's competitive, but there are still huge opportunities in niche markets. How it works: print on demand, or POD, means you design a product, like a t-shirt, mug, or even wall art, and upload it to sites like Etsy or Redbubble. When someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. The best part, you don't need any upfront investment in inventory. You just need a few solid designs. To really make this passive, target specific niches. For example, a mug with a funny quote about a trending topic, or a t-shirt with a motivational gym slogan. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to create simple but effective designs, then upload them and let them sell. As they gain popularity, they could become passive moneymakers, high-yield investment accounts and dividends. Now, let's talk about making your money work for you. High-yield investment accounts, like certain index funds or high-yield savings accounts, can add a steady stream of passive income over time. Here's what to consider. Start small with accounts like Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs. These accounts offer more than regular banks. However, for a truly lucrative passive income, consider dividend-paying stocks. Example strategy: set up a dividend reinvestment plan DRIP. When dividends get paid out, they're automatically reinvested into buying more shares, compounding your income. Over time, as your investment grows, you'll start seeing larger and larger dividend payments. This takes more time to build up, but can turn into a substantial monthly income with patience. Selling digital products on Gumroad or Etsy. One of my favorite methods for passive income is selling digital products. Once you create these products, they're infinitely sellable. They can be anything from ebooks to planners to video courses. Here's how to get started. Identify what you're good at or have knowledge in, then think about how you could package that into a digital product. Maybe it's a budgeting spreadsheet, a 30-day fitness planner, or even a guide on setting up a successful YouTube channel. Where to sell it? Gumroad and Etsy are fantastic platforms. You can also sell directly through your own website if you're into that. Once you create and list the product, it's all about marketing. A single product could sell hundreds, even thousands of copies over time. The great thing here is that each sale doesn't require extra effort. You've already done the work up front. Real estate investing with crowdfunding. Alright, here's a passive income source that sounds big but is actually achievable for more people than ever before: real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realtor allow you to invest in real estate without buying a whole property. How it works: you pool your money with other investors to purchase real estate assets, and as these properties generate income, you get a share. Many platforms allow you to start with as little as $500. You'll receive quarterly dividends, and over time, you may see property appreciation. It's an ideal way to benefit from real estate without dealing with property management. And it's truly passive, because the platform handles everything. Building a niche YouTube channel with ad revenue. You probably already know that YouTube can be a massive moneymaker, but not everyone realizes how to really make it passive. Instead of vlogging or trying to start a general entertainment channel, consider creating a niche-focused channel that relies on search-based, evergreen content. What to do? Pick a topic that's searchable and evergreen, like personal finance tips or home organization hacks. Then create videos that are informative and don't rely on current trends. These types of videos continue to get views months or even years after they're posted. Example, a video titled 5 Beginner Tips for Managing Money could keep bringing in views and ad revenue for a long time. Plus, you can always add affiliate links in your description or promote digital products, increasing your income streams. Once your videos gain traction, they can bring in passive ad revenue for years. Renting out assets, Airbnb, vehicles, or storage space. Here's a unique one for you: renting out things you already own. Whether it's a spare room, a car, or even storage space, you could make money passively by renting it out. Airbnb: if you have an extra room or guest house, list it on Airbnb. With good management, this can generate solid monthly income, especially if you're in a high-demand area. Renting vehicles: apps like Turo allow you to rent out your car. This is a great option if you have a car you're not using regularly. Storage space: if you have extra garage or shed space, you can rent it out as storage. Check out sites like neighbor.com to get started. And there you have it, 7 solid ways to make passive income in 2025. Remember, none of these strategies will make you rich overnight, but with some time and effort, they have the potential to bring in serious money month after month. Which one of these side hustles are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay focused, stay disciplined, and take that next step toward financial independence.